Okay, so this is my rock cod. I had to take the seeds out. I mean the seeds, the bones out, and all I did is kind of crispy. All I did was dusted it with a little bit of corn flour, AP flour, and some of my favorite Cajun seasoning spices. Yeah, I know this is oily stuff, but what can I do? I love it. That's why you add lemon to it. Traditionally add lemon to your rock cod here, or any kind of fish for that matter. But look at that nice caramelization on that. Just wanted to show you that. I know I have a couple videos out there, but. And then I'm going to make a aioli sauce with capers and maybe put a little bit of, I don't have any shallots, maybe some onions. And then you just kind of drain it. I drain it on a towel. Turn that off. Make sure you turn that off. Drain a towel. I have a little bit of aioli sauce. What I'm going to do is add some capers and maybe some relish and maybe a little bit of, I don't have shallots, so I may add some green onions if I have some, and some flat leaf parsley, and just, that's it. And just doctor it up, and then that'll be good. Oh, and some lemon juice in there. So, I mean, you can make it by hand, the aioli sauce. It's basically mayo. So, and then that's it. And then that's what, and then I have some French fries in the oven, and that's what I'll be having for dinner. And this is great for if you just want to have some fish and chips. This is perfect. So, okay, I'll talk to you soon.